Hey, I'm Mark McCary. I'm the collision repair instructor.
My name is Caleb Stith. I'm a senior at Helena High School, and I'm part of the collision repair program at CTEC.
In our program, we mainly focus on painting and refinishing, but we do a little bit of everything when it comes to collision repair.
I got involved with it because I wanted to do work with cars, and I like seeing the transformation from cars before they come in a shop, rusted, paint's worn off. Then afterwards, we bring it in, we sand it down, and we repair it, and we make it look like it would if it were brand new.
So much of the collision side can't be learned sitting behind a computer or in a book. You get the theory, but without practice, repetitious activity and motion, you can't learn this. I can't teach you how to block a car by reading a book. You've got to apply that and apply that. So that's pretty much what we would have to do. It's just over and over repetitive.
So part of the class would be getting certified through safety programs. We do run some programs such as iCar and some Ford programs that help us get certified to work on those type of vehicles.
First year students, when you come in, we do 2 days in the classroom, usually somewhere 30 to 40 minutes of that. Then we get on out in the shop. The other 3 days are actually all hands-on in shop, applying what you've learned in the classroom and putting it into a practical application so it actually makes sense.
I love coming here because I'm able to actually, it's like a real world scenario where I get to work with cars, and it's just like what you'll be doing if you have a job doing that in the future. My favorite part is probably when we get to start getting our hands on the car, feeling every little part of it, making sure everything's perfectly smooth, perfectly straight, getting to see it, start really bad and then end up brand new, like I said. And it can be, it's a beautiful thing to see a car change like that.
If any of y'all are interested in collision repair, painting and refinishing, or passionate about working in the automotive industry, please email me or look forward to seeing you next year in class.